Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Counting down.
Alright. Good morning, people of Valheim. It's been a hot minute, but the house has been under a little duress. Wifey's been sick. Kids have been sick. I was sick for a bit, feeling better. But, and you gotta pick up after all of that. So things like massive runs to the dump and mopping floors and all that fun stuff. And catching up on work to boot. So I'm finally ready again, although what time is it? It's not even 6:30 in the morning. So I'm trying to get it done early and out of the way before the rest of the world catches up. Are you gonna load today? Uh-oh. It's not what I like to see. Oh, there we go. That's better. I have arrived. And it's raining just like outside. Very good. Bees, how you doing? Oh, you're 3. Dude, what have I been up to? Ignoring the bees. Yep. There's 15 to 4 copper. That's all I got? Damn. Yeah, we get some copper. Alright. I'm gonna have like a billion honey. Oh, holy moly. Yeah. I'll take the overflow. I don't think I'm gonna need that much. Oh wait, where are we at? We switched over to the metal helm. Why do we do that? Because it doesn't really as much. But this gives me more sneak. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep on with this for the moment. I'll keep this over here though, because we're getting there. Alright, what about you? Nobody needs anything. Upgrades. No. Alright, we got work to do for upgrades. Food? No, nothing's on me. Okay. Boop-a-doo. Core it out. Here. Do that. Yeah. All that fire you're able to start in the rain. Alright. I got my weapons. I feel good. Unless I can't get out. Growing thistle in the house. Isn't that nice? Alright. Have I cleared out all my mappable copper? Not quite. Was that it? Hey. How about that? Oh yeah, oops. Alright. That is definitely clearing the 5. Not bad for clearing the edges. We got a nice little chunk here. Hey ho, it's clipping and cover we go. I tell you, if this gets to be this much fun forever, we're definitely skipping some copper runs. Actually, you know what we could do is just stop filming until I have a shit ton of copper. And just click the camera back on in a minute. I think I said that last time. But that's the thing, you never know when crazy shit's gonna happen. But I guess that's kind of what the escape button's for, isn't it? Yeah. Alright. So... I'll see, but then here comes these guys. Whoop! Eat that. But that ain't really doing much for anybody anymore. I'm in no danger. Barely in danger from a troll. Because of my inability to let my stamina regenerate. Alright, you know what? I still gotta go find a new one. How much copper do I have on me? How many? Oosh, 400 billion pounds of bullshit. Alright, let's go find a new vein. And I'll skip over the gory details of me gripping through the vein. Huh, that didn't take long. Man. Gone. New fire. Just in case I forget why. Alright. So now I've ripped about halfway through this guy. I've already gone back once and dropped off like, 12, 13 copper. It's already going, so now I've got another 24, which is a good hunk. And I maxed out on weight before I broke my my guy here, so that's a start too. Oh, Christ. Sounds like... No, definitely sounds like a lot of beehives. I don't know really what else to describe it like. It's interesting. I didn't even realize, like, you come around the corner and it's just an instant buzz. Get the buzz from my buzz. My buzz. Alright, that's another thing. I'm also probably out of wood at this point. So I'm gonna have to do some wood grabs. Huh. Alright. Oof, that is gonna add up quick. Alright, so what do I got in here? Nothing. Alright. Yeah. This thing's gonna rip through that wood. Luckily, I got wood all around here. Quick run up the hill. Literally in between here and yeah, there's like 2 down trees. Yeah, there we go. I'd say you ripped out a couple trees right quick. What did that get me? A lot. Alright. Screw those guys. They can just follow me and stab themselves. Dun, 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 dun. Ha. Come on, juice. Ow. Kiss my ass. You ain't getting in. There we go. That's nice. Excuse you. Hi. Yeah, don't throw shit at my house. Do I need deer skin? When don't I? Asshole. So what do you think about that? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna hit you with this one. Can you hit some more? No. Too bad. That was a pretty weak ass log. Alright. Coming along. There's definitely a hot dog bun to hot dog ratio thing going on here, but I don't know exactly. Now the overly tedious task of getting rid of all the shit on me. Where the hell did I put those? Seed Island? Alright. And then the too many rock burns. Keep it up, good boy. Alright. Can you get comfy? Oh yeah. Oh, that's the good stuff. Oh yeah. I don't know. Something about him getting up just makes me want to stretch. Oh yeah, I should probably repair my metal shit, shouldn't I? Thank you. We're not gonna get to any of that yet. Ooh. Actually, I got some big numbers, so. Oof, I could go sit the Brownsbuckler. You know what? Block force of 30, what are you at? What are you at? Block force of 20, armor 16, yeah. No, you suck a fat bag. Because sometimes I just like having a shield. I'm sure of all the things to do, it's probably not the way, but you know what? I got a lot of this shit. So, we'll get there. Holy moly. Oh yeah, yeah. That's all for you. I could be building nice things, but yeah. Alright, let me rip through the boring parts. There we go. Pig found me. I'm literally right in the edge of the meadows. Look at this. Didn't even realize I was in the meadows as I was making my way back up. Here I am, breaking the rocks. throwing stones. Busted my pickaxe. Actually, now that I have some weight room on my way back, I can get some more trees. It's the cyclical nature of it all. Oh, but we're gonna be hitting my time pretty soon. Oh yeah. So I cut out a good chunk of it, so this might actually even be a shorter video by far. Ooh, you get. Nope, I'm hitting you with this. That's what you both get. Beatdowns with mace. Get it out of my way. They're in my way. Alright, now I'm out. Wait. What happened? There we go. Yeah, perfectly at weight too. See, can I pick up one more piece of wood? Maybe. Maybe I can. Hey. Ooh. Eat my ass. Doing a spin. And I can't even pick any of that stuff up. Ow. Alright. Da 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 da. Scooby Doo. Get me all this. Get me all that. Look at all that. Ah. Cancel. Everybody goes in. All y'all. Alright. Take all this, put this over here. Boom. 10 and a 7. Alright. Oop. There we go. That goes off that part. Oh. Yeah, we're getting there. Plugging along. Christmas tree. Yeah, we don't need those. Don't need that. Boar meat, unexpected. Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna get rid of this guy. We don't need you. It's hard to just throw things away. Alright, that's kind of it for the moment. I mean, basically found a new copper deposit. I'm not even sure I was supposed to disappear that, but I don't care anymore. Because we are going to start working our way towards that guy pretty soon. Like, we're jacking through all this stuff pretty quick that's all up in here. And we'll start fighting our way down out into here and get into this area and sort of check out the rest of the continent. And then it's probably off to get our asses kicked in the next biome. So, all sounds like fun. Alright guys, so just keep plugging and chugging, and I'll see y'all on the next round.